Quick question. What do you do when one of the best AI tools suddenly becomes paid and you're stuck there like, so how am I supposed to create videos now? Because let's be honest, ever since Grok Ai went paid, everyone has been searching for a real free alternative, something that can still give you high quality results without asking you to pay one kobo. You know that feeling when you want to generate a video or create an AI character that talks, or even make an image speak like a real human, and the platform tells you, upgrade to continue. Like, bro, upgrade to where? With which money? That's why when I found this new free AI tool, I actually couldn't believe what it was doing. The quality, the talking images, the smooth animations, it honestly feels like the developers didn't get the memo that AI is supposed to be expensive now. So instead of explaining too much, just look at this video I generated using this same AI tool.
I'm Jaymind Studio. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to this AI, I, Jaymind Studio, have finally found my soulmate. Imagine AI giving you a full marriage video without even asking for bride price. And that's just the beginning. This tool can make any image talk like a real human, it can generate full videos from scratch, and the output quality is honestly shocking, especially for a free platform. Now, here's the interesting part. As of right now, this platform is still on the ground and free, not popular yet, and it's not available on mobile, which means most people don't even know it exists. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it on your mobile phone. Yes, even though the website doesn't support mobile yet, I'll show you the trick I used to run everything smoothly on my device. So, if you've been frustrated because Grok is now paid, or you just want a powerful free AI tool that can make your images talk, generate videos, and give you crazy results, then stick with me, because you're about to discover something most people haven't even heard of yet.
Go to your browser and search for Byte Plus. Once you search for it, you are going to see this first option, Byte Plus. Click on it. And then once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click at the top these three lines. Click on it, and you're going to see Sign Up and Sign In. So I'll just click on Sign Up. You can see that this site has been auto-translated. Now on this page, you can just use a temporary email address, choose a username, choose a password, and then you agree. Or you can sign in using your Google account, anyone that works best for you. I'm just going to sign in with one of my Google accounts. Then you agree to their terms, click on Sign Up. Now it's going to bring you here. It's going to say Verify to continue. All I'm going to do is to drag this thing to this place to verify that I'm a human being. Now, once you have successfully signed into your account, click at this top here. Click at these three lines here. Once you click on it, you are going to see these options. Try AI models. Now click on it. Now, once you click on Try AI models, you are going to see this pop up here. It says, kindly note, this page does not support mobile experience. Please copy the link below and open it on a desktop browser. Now, here is the trick on how to use this platform on your mobile phone. Cancel this. If you are using Chrome browser, at the top here, click at that top. Once you click on it, scroll and you are going to see Desktop Site. Switch to Desktop Site. Now, once you have switched your mobile phone to Desktop Site, the interface is going to look like this.
If I zoom in now, we are going to see the video that I've generated using this particular website. That is the video that you saw at the intro. And if you look up here, you can see video generation. And this website uses Seedance to generate the video. That's the video model that they are using to create videos, Seedance. And then by this side, you can see image generation. Now here is where you'll generate your videos. Scroll, and below here, you're going to see this. Let me zoom in more. You're going to see this start and end. Now you can use this feature if you want to generate a video using start and end. If you don't want to use this, just simply click here to upload the image that you want to animate. So let me upload two characters that I want to animate and make them talk. Alright, so now I'm uploading the character that I want to animate. You can see that this is uploading, and here is the character that I want to animate on a bigger screen. You can see. So let's wait for it to upload. So the image has been uploaded. Here is where you're going to type in your prompt. And here is where you're going to select the settings for this video.
So let me type in the prompt for this particular video. I'll say, the lady says, Grok AI is now paid. And the guy replied, yeah, smart creators are still creating for free. So this is the prompt. Now here is where you adjust the settings. You can see that this video is going to be in 1080p and 5 seconds. Now to adjust this, just click here that says 5 seconds and increase this. Let me show you. Increase this. Let me increase it to, let's say, 9 seconds is okay. And here is where you select the aspect ratio. You can see different aspect ratios. You can see the resolution. You can see the duration. This is the duration. And this is the quantity, the output, how many videos you want to generate. So I set it to 1 because I want to generate only 1 video. If you want, you can generate 2 at once. So I increased the video length to 9 seconds. You can also increase it up to, let me check, you can increase it up to 12 seconds. I'm just going to leave this at 9 seconds. And then I'll change the aspect ratio to 16:9. And that's all for the settings. And now I'm just going to click here to send. You can see that it said 400 and something thousand tokens. Yeah, this platform gives you free credits and you can generate, as of the time of recording this video, it's currently free. Though I have this feeling that this platform is going to be paid soon. So if you have access to this information now, use it very well. So click on send. You can see our video is being generated. Let's wait and see the outcome. Sorry for the view of this video because we are actually doing this on mobile so that the mobile creators won't feel left out. And if you are a content creator that creates only with your mobile phone, I wonder why you have not subscribed to this channel, because you are not going to be missing out on any mobile tutorial. So let's wait and see the outcome. And under a few seconds, our video is ready. You can see the video right here. But I noticed something. I made a mistake with the prompting on what they are going to say. If I zoom in now, we are going to see that on the prompting I said, the lady says, Grok AI is now paid. And the guy replied, yeah, smart are still creating for free. I was supposed to type, yeah, smart creators are still creating for free. But let's see the outcome of this generated video. Now, let me play the video for you. I will also play the video on a bigger screen so that you can see. Let me zoom in a little. So let's play the video.
Grok AI.
Grok AI is now paid.
Yeah, smart are still creating for free.
Now, here is the video on a bigger screen.
Grok AI.
Grok AI is now paid.
Yeah, smart are still creating for free.
Now, if you notice that I made a mistake in the prompting, that's why the AI also made a mistake. Instead of saying smart creators, it said smart, just as the way my prompt is. And also, to save your video is very easy. Just click at this top here. You are going to see the option to download this straight to your phone. This video was generated using Cadence 1.5 Pro. It's a really powerful AI model, so if you are getting access to this information now, make sure to utilize it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on my next video. Peace out.